Yeah, so good afternoon all, and welcome again for the another lecture of number systems. We were working on, say, binary numbers, and in the last class, I guess we have studied about the numbers, the binary numbers, the rules of addition and subtraction of binary numbers, and we have completed some of the examples in that also. So we have done that. Uh, so let us begin with the another. So today we are going to learn about the uh, ones and twos complement of ones and twos complement method of subtraction using binary numbers, right? So what is the application of binary numbers that we are studying? So we should understand why we use binary numbers, right? So for that, this is one of the basic application of binary numbers which we are going to study today. That is called as the method of ones and twos complement method of subtraction using binary numbers, right? So let us start with that. I have submitted with you uh, the notes of that. So we should understand what are the steps of how we are going to convert binary number to, say, the ones and twos complement, and then we are going to add. So we are going to add while we are doing the subtraction. So it's very surprising that we can have the same number using that. So first, let us take an example of nines and tens complement of decimal number because it is very easier to understand. Right. So let us begin. What we are doing is we are trying to have two numbers. Say it is 57. I guess this is visible. 57 of I'm taking the binary number, right? So 57 of sorry, decimal number. So 57 minus 23. So I'm taking these two numbers. I'm showing you how we can add, sorry, we can subtract a number by addition, right? So this is 23. I guess it is visible, and we need to subtract it. This is the simplest problem that we are trying over here. So 3 minus 7 will give you 4, right? And 5 minus 2 will give you 34. So this is what we are generally doing while we do subtraction of decimal number, right? Now, in this, we have studied that this is called as the minuend, 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 right? This is called as minuend, while the other one, which is to be subtracted, is called as subtrahend, right? So these are the nomenclature that is given to it. Subtrahend, subtrahend, right? Subtrahend. The first one from which we need to subtract is called as the minuend, while the other one from which we need to subtract from the minuend is called as subtrahend, right? So remember these two terminology, and this is general for binary as well as for decimal. So what we have done over here, we have simply subtracted 23 through 57. We will try some other method, and we call it as the nines and tens complement method, right? So nines method, in that nines method, what we do, we make the nines complement of this subtrahend. And for doing this, what we have to do is we have to minus this number, subtract this number 23 through 99. So whatever number, whatever output, whatever result we are getting by subtracting this 23, which is the subtrahend over here, by 99, we will call it as the nines complement, right? So 99 minus 23 will give you 6, and this is 7. So 76 is supposed to be the nines complement. We call this as the nines complement of 23, right? What we have done, we have subtracted 23 by 99, right? So this number we call it as 76. Okay, 76 is the nines complement of this number 23. Now if you add 1 in this, 99 plus 1, that is 100, right? So the number which we will get, we will call it as tens complement. So the number is 77. 76 plus 1, that is 77, and we call this as the tens complement. Okay, so this is the tens complement of 23. The first one was the nines complement, and the second one was tens complement. Is it okay? So what we have done, we have just subtracted 23 from 99. We got this number 76, and we are calling this as the nines complement. When we add 1 in this number, in this nines complement, we get another number. We call it as a tens complement. Now what we will do, we'll keep this minuend as it is. So we'll be writing 57 over here, right? So 57 I am writing over here, and the nines complement of 23 I am writing over here, that is 76. So this is 76, and if you add this both numbers, so we are trying to do addition over here. If you add this both numbers, what we are going to get, 7 plus 6, that is 13, that is 1, carry 1, 1 plus 5, that is 6, 6 plus 7, that is 13, means 133, and we get a carry over here. We call this as a end around carry, right? So we call it as end around carry. Whenever we are going to add nines complement, we need to add this carry back again to the result. So I am adding this one again to the result. So earlier we have got 33, right? 133 was there. This was the end around carry. So I'm calling again adding this one to this carry. So we'll get the number that we call it as a 34. And if you are able to see, the answer of subtraction of 23 from 57 is 34. So we can get the same number, that is 34. The result is same by using another method in decimal. We are talking in decimal right now, right? So you can then understand why we are talking about ones and twos complement. So yeah, so with this, I guess, am I audible? Hello? Yeah. So with this, I guess what we are trying to do is we are trying to solve a subtraction by using an addition method. So we have done using that by nines complement. And in tens complement, what we are going to do is, again, we will add 57, right? So 57 plus the tens complement of that 23, that is 77. So 77, if you add this, what is the result? That is 134. Here also we are it is the carry is generated, right? So we have to neglect this carry. So the result is 34. So in tens complement we will neglect the carry, and in nines complement we will add the carry to the result, right? So this is how we can subtract by using a addition method. Now this method in decimal number system is called as the nines and tens complement method of subtraction. Remember, nines and tens complement method of subtraction. Correct? I guess you have understood this. If you have any issues, if you have any doubts, kindly ask me right now so that we can rectify those. Or else, if you are not having any issues, we can continue with our topic, that is ones and twos complement. Have you understood this? Yeah, thank you, Manish. Thank you very much. So just hold for a second. So we'll proceed for one exam. In the last class, I guess we have done one, say, one problem of subtraction. So can you give that number again back to me? I guess the numbers were 13 and 10. So this was the numbers were in decimal. So I'm just subtracting it. So the result was -3. This is in decimal. So we have to convert this in binary first, and then we'll continue with that. So 13 in binary can be written as 1101.
Sir, not -3, it's only 3.
Only 3, yes. Only 3. This minus यहाँ आता है. Sorry. Minus ऊपर लिखना नहीं, नीचे लिखिए. Okay. So 1101. 10 के लिए हम लोगों ने लिखा था 1010, बराबर है, और हम लोगों ने इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया था और रिजल्ट लाया था, द रिजल्ट वाज 0, मैं लिख रहा हूं डायरेक्टली 0011, right? So ये result था and it is equivalent to 3 in binary. Now what we have to do is we have to start with ones and twos complement method of subtraction using addition, binary addition. So we call this as ones and twos complement method of subtraction, हम इसको बोलते हैं, और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ये 100% आप लिख लो मेरे से, ये एग्जाम में आने ही वाला है, वंस एंड टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन, ठीक है, ऑफ बाइनरी नंबर्स। सो हमने अभी दो नंबर्स लिए हैं 13 और 10, एक को बोलेगी हम लोग मेन्यूएंड, देन द नंबर विच इज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड विल बी कॉल्ड एज द सब्ट्राहेंड, राइट? तो ये सब्ट्राहेंड का हमको बनाना है वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, राइट? सो वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट जब बनाते हैं हम लोग तो कैसे बनाते हैं? सो दिस इज दैट नंबर 1010, वहां बनाया था नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यहाँ पे बनाना है वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, राइट? सो ये 1011 का हम लोग बना रहे हैं वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, तो ये इसको 111 से माइनस करेंगे। सो द मैक्सिमम नंबर इज दिस, in decimal the maximum number was 99, right? In binary the maximum number is 111, जितने बिट है उसमें उतने बिट, अगर वहां पे 4 बिट का नंबर होता डेसिमल में तो हम लोग 4 नाइन लेते, 2 बिट का था इसलिए हमने को 2 9 लिए, यहाँ पे 4 बिट का नंबर है इसलिए हम लोग 4 वंस ले रहे। हमको ये 111 में से ये 1010 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। देखिए कितना इजी, अभी अगर हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो क्या होता है देखिए। सो व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 1010 ऑफ बाइनरी फ्रॉम 111, द आउटपुट इज 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0। एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू सी, इसका जस्ट उल्टा किया, जहां 1 है वहां 0 किया है, जहां 0 है वहां 1 लिखा हुआ, right? So that is the conversion, and this is what we are going to call as the ones complement of the number 1010। we are calling this 0101। हमने सिर्फ उल्टा किया है और कुछ नहीं किया। अगर आप सिर्फ उल्टा करो, जहां 1 है वहां 0 लिखो और जहां 0 है वहां 1 लिखो, तो you will get this ones complement। What I am trying to tell you is just replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. If you do that, you will be getting the number which we are going to call it as the ones complement of that number, right? So we are just replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So the number is 0101 and we are calling this as the ones complement. Now, if you add 1 in this number again, then the number which we are going to derive from this, we will be calling it as the twos complement. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 and 0. So now this number which we have derived from here, we will call this as the twos complement of 1010. I guess it is visible. So first, what we have done, we have subtracted the subtrahend by 111. Why we have taken 4 ones over here? Because the number was 4 bit. And if the number is 3 bit and the minuend is 4 bit, then take 4 bits over there, right? So always remember this. If the subtrahend is 3 bit and the minuend is 4 bit, then you have to take 4 bits only. So you have to subtract. You just add 1 0 over there in the left. So it will solve the matter, right? So we have done that and we have got two numbers. One we are calling it as ones complement and the other one we are calling it as the twos complement, right? So this is the general form that we have done. Now we will be trying with the ones complement method first and then we will be trying it by the twos complement. So start with, what is the minuend? Minuend is this 1101. So this is the minuend that we are having. What is the first ones complement of this number 1010? That is 0101. If you put 0101, it is visible to you all. 0101 I have written. Now what we have to do? We have to add this. So if you add this, both we will get 1 plus 1 will be 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1, that is 0 with a carry 1. So we are having a end around carry again, which is generated over here. We are calling it EOC. So we have to add this end or around carry to the result over there. So we are putting 1 over here and we need to add it again, right? So when we add this number, so we'll be getting 0 plus 1 is 1. Sorry. Uh, yeah. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the number, if you are able to see here, the result is the same, that is 3. So whether you do by this method directly, simple calculation, or you go through this ones and twos complement method, right? So in ones complement, the end around carry is to be added back again. And in twos complement, when we'll go for twos complement, you'll be able to see that the carry which is generated is to be neglected. So let us try with that. Let us try with that. So now, what is the menu hand? The menu hand is, I guess the screen is still visible, so I can put over here. So we'll have this 1101. So this is that uh, menu end over there. The twos complement number is 0110. So I am putting the twos complement, that is 0110, and we are going to again add this. So if you add this, what would be the result? 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0 with a carry 1, right? And we have to neglect this carry. So the result is 0011. So this is the twos complement and this is the ones complement. So in ones complement, what we have to do is in ones complement, we have to add the end around carry, and in twos complement, we have to neglect the carry, right? I guess you have understood. I will be repeating it for you again. Today we are going to we are studying ones and twos complement method of subtraction of binary numbers, right? Now this is actually the application of uh, the binary numbers. Why we are studying the binary numbers? So in this, what we are trying to do is we have taken two numbers, 13 and 10 in decimal, and we have tried simply by using general rules, we have subtracted it. Now we have converted it to binary. So the binary equivalent of 13 is 1101, and the binary equivalent of 10 is 1010. And when we subtract, the result is 0011, that is 3, right? So the output is 3. This is the general method of subtraction. In ones and twos complement, what we do, we take the ones complement of the subtrahend. Menu hand will be keeping as it is. I've given you the notes. Go through that notes. There it is all mentioned, the steps how to convert a ones complement and a twos complement. Right? So for ones complement, subtract the subtrahend by 111. Right? When you subtract this, what happens? It is just the replacement of zeros by 1 and 1 by 0. So we'll be getting the number 0101, right? And the first number that we are getting, we will call it as the ones complement. And then if you add 1 in this ones complement, you'll be getting another number which we are going to call the twos complement, right? Of the same number, that is 1010. So we are having two numbers over here. The first one is the ones complement, and if you add one more, then it is called as the twos complement. Right? Now, the next step that we have to do is we have to add the minuend with the ones complement number that we have got. So 1101 is the minuend, original number, and 0101 is the say ones complement of this number 10. Right? 10 means 10 in decimal. So it is 1010. Right? So we'll be doing that, and then we'll be adding this numbers. So add these two numbers. When you add this, so you'll be getting a number with a carry. If there is a carry generated in one's complement, then we have to add that carry back to the result. So we'll get the result as 0011, right? And this is by using the ones complement method. I guess it is a very simplest method to understand. Please remember that there is nothing difficult in this. So it's a very simple method of subtraction, right? So we have done this, and then for 2's complement, if you add the minuend as it is, and the 2's complement number which we have got by adding 1 to the 1's complement method, that is 0110. So if you add both, we'll be having a number which is actually the result of subtraction, that is 0011, right? And whatever carry is generated in this 2's complement method, then what we have to do is we have to neglect that carry. In 2's complement method, we are going to neglect the carry. In 1's complement method, we have to add that carry back to the result. Then only we will be getting the real, yeah, the exact output. I guess you have understood. With some more, with some more problems, we can with some more examples we can study this ones and 2's complement method. Thank you, Sanket. Thank you very much. And if you have any issues or doubts, kindly let me know right now so that we can rectify here itself. So now the class is open for questions. Yes, anybody? Komal, have you understood? Manish? Sanket has already told me that he has understood. Shreya, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. स्नेहल पालोरकर, स्नेहल आपको समझाया बेटा, पूछ लो. आप हो कि बस मोबाइल लगाकर चले गए? हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है. So kindly reply. Okay. Thank you for watching this class and listening to me. And I guess you have understood the ones and 2's complement method of subtraction of binary numbers. And this is very important question, and it comes regularly in your exams, in your written exams, hopefully theory. And we will be designing a circuit on this logic, this basic ones and 2's complement method, which we call it as a half adder and a full adder. 4-bit or 8-bit full adder circuit we are going to do. Full adder and subtractor circuit. By using the same circuit, we can add as well as we can subtract. So whatever we do in our calculators and in our mobile phones, we are using this full adder and 8-bit and 4-bit full adder subtractor circuit. So we are doing this by using the same logic. This is the logic ones and 2's complement, by which we are going to subtract and we are going to add also by using the same circuit, right? So this is very important by virtue of that those applications of binary numbers. So I guess this is enough for today, and we'll be meeting in the next class. Go through my YouTube channel, watch it and like it also. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining, and stay home, stay safe, take care. See you soon in the next
Thank you,
class.
sir. Good day.
Good day, beta. Good day. See you soon. Bye.